Good morning to my lovely children. I wish you all a very happy and pleasant day ahead. Students, last time we studied about the poem What a Bird Thought. Now today we are going to start with English grammar. The first chapter that we are going to learn is nouns. Now, what is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, animal, and idea. For example, name of a person, Anita. Name of a place, forest. Name of an animal, elephant. Name of thing, phone. Here are some more examples for you. Now tell me, what do you see in the first picture? Yes, it's a baby. That is a person. Now tell me, what do you see in the second picture? Yes, correct. It's a puppy. That is an animal. Now what do you see in the third picture? Absolutely right. A city. That is a place. Now, what do you see in the fourth picture? Excellent. It's a flower. That is a thing. And finally, what do you see in the fifth picture? Correct. A man with his hands wide spread. And what else do you see? Yes, he is free from the chains. That is freedom. Now let us see few more examples. First, Mary ate a bowl of delicious soup. In this sentence, which are the nouns? Mary. Mary is the name of a person. Bowl. Bowl is a thing. And soup. Soup is also a thing. Second, our new baby was born in the hospital on Friday. Now tell me, which are the nouns in this sentence? Yes, baby. Baby is a person. Hospital. Hospital is a place. And Friday. Friday is one of the day of the week. Now children, I hope you all have understood what is a noun. Now let us move further with the types of nouns. There are four types of nouns. First, common noun. Second, proper noun. Third, collective noun. And fourth, abstract noun. Today, we will be learning about two types of nouns. First, common noun and second, proper noun. What do you mean by the word common? Yes, common indicates in general things that we talk about. Now, what do you mean by common noun? A common noun is the general name of any person, place, thing, or idea. Common nouns are not capitalized. That is, common nouns usually begin with a small letter unless they come at the beginning of a sentence. For example, teacher, baseball, city, school, train, etc. Here are few more examples. Boy, movie, singer, car, book, country, city. Now, let us see the earlier examples. First, Mary ate a bowl of delicious soup. In this sentence, which are the common nouns? Yes, you're correct. Bowl and soup, because there is no specific name given to both the words. Next sentence. Our new baby was born in the hospital on Friday. Now let us find out the common nouns in this sentence. Yes, correct. It's baby and hospital, because no specific name is given to the baby and hospital. So I hope that you are clear with the concepts of nouns and common nouns. Now let's move further to the next type of noun, that is proper nouns. Students, tell me, what is the meaning of the word proper? Yes, proper means in particular. A proper noun is a name of a particular person, place, thing, or idea. Proper nouns are always capitalized. That is, they always begin with a capital letter. For example, Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty is a proper noun because it's a name of a particular monument. Next, Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln is a name of a person. Next, Dubuk Loa. Dubuk Loa is a name of a city. Now let us again go back to the previous sentences. Mary ate a bowl of delicious soup. Now tell me, which is the proper noun in this sentence? Very good. Mary is the proper noun because Mary is a name of a specific person. Next, our new baby was born in the hospital on Friday. Yes, Friday is the proper noun because Friday is a specific name of the day of the week. I hope the above concepts are clear to my kids. Now, come, let us differentiate between a proper noun and a common noun. Proper noun, they have a name, and common noun, they do not have a name. For example, Audi is a proper noun and car is a common noun. England is a proper noun. Country is a common noun. Justin is a proper noun. Singer is a common noun. Pepsi is a proper noun. Drink is a common noun. English than is a proper noun. App is a common noun. Students, here are few worksheets that you need to solve. First one, what kind of noun? You have to read the nouns in the box and classify and write the nouns into the correct category. For example, dog. Dog is an animal, so it will be written in animal category. Now, in the second worksheet, there are sentences given to you. You have to read the sentence and you have to look for the underlined noun in each sentence. And you have to tell if the noun is a place, person or thing. For example, the museum is closed on Sunday. Here, the underlined word is museum. So, museum comes under place. In the same manner, you have to solve the other questions. In the third worksheet, you have to write a proper noun for each common noun. For example, first one, woman. You can write a name of a particular woman. And lastly, in the fourth worksheet, you have to read the following sentences carefully and circle the common nouns and underline the proper nouns. I hope my kids will do all these worksheets sincerely. Thank you. Happy learning.